A place to stay.
Houses in villages. We need a shelter to protect ourselves from wind, rain, animals, and insects. Have you seen houses in villages? The houses in villages are typically small, with just one floor, and may be surrounded by flower and vegetable gardens. In addition to regular houses, you can also find huts made of mud, sticks, and grass. These huts are designed to keep the interior cool. The houses in villages often have more space between them. Houses in cities. Houses in cities are generally larger but have less space between them. The tall buildings in cities are referred to as apartments and are constructed using cement and bricks. Apartments usually have more rooms than houses in villages. Shelter of birds and animals around us. Just like us, birds and other animals need homes. Birds use twigs, leaves, and sometimes feathers to make nests for their young ones, keeping them warm and protected. Animals like rabbits live in burrows, lions have dens, and squirrels make homes in tree holes or nests with leaves and twigs. Materials used for making houses. A long time ago, people used materials they found nearby to build houses. If there were many trees, they used wood. Some houses had roofs made of dried grass, called thatched roofs. Today, houses are made of cement, glass, bricks, iron bars, and tiles. Big machines are used to construct houses. Safety at home. At home, different things help us stay safe. For example, doors keep out strangers, roofs protect us from the sun and the rain, and walls help us stay away from the wind and rain. Helping others. We should help people with special needs, such as those with disabilities and children requiring extra care. Using ramps and wheelchairs can make it easier for those who struggle to walk. Adding handrails to stairs and bathrooms is important. Keep sharp things away and put small items out of reach for children's safety. We can help older family members by arranging their rooms, putting their medicines where they can easily find them, and having a phone close by for emergencies. Safety in neighborhood. Neighbors are like family, always ready to help. It is important to know our neighbors. We should have their and our friends' numbers for emergencies. We need to ensure that play areas are safe, with soft surfaces and away from busy roads to prioritize neighborhood safety. Let's revise. Houses in villages are typically small and may be surrounded by flower and vegetable gardens. Huts are made of mud, sticks, and grass in villages. The houses in villages often have more space between them. Cities have tall buildings called apartments. They are constructed using cement and bricks. Birds use twigs, leaves, and sometimes feathers to make homes or nests. Different animals live in different homes, like a lion lives in a den. The building materials for houses has changed with time. Early people used material like wood to make houses, but now people use bricks, cement, etc. At home, different things help us stay safe, like doors and walls. We should help people with special needs, such as those with disabilities and children requiring extra care. It is important to know our neighbors and their phone numbers for emergencies.